People often ask me how to make a rich onion gravy. Well, here it is. Start with some butter and just a plain vegetable oil into this lovely big hot pan. Once the butter's melted, add in our onions. Now, I'm using red onions. They tend to be a little bit sweeter for the gravy. You can use white onions as well. And let these onions start to soften for around about 10 minutes. Once the onions are lovely and soft, add in the sugar and the balsamic vinegar. Give that a really good stir. And then that's going to take about another 10 minutes to caramelize those onions. Once the onions are caramelized, add into there our rich dark beef stock. Give that a good stir, and then we're going to bring that up to a gentle boil. And while that's happening, I've got some cornflour here and some water. This is going to be the thickener for the gravy. Add this to the pan, a good stir, and we'll let that simmer for 5 minutes. Once it's thickened, we'll add a pinch of salt. And finally, a little bit of very cold butter. Give that a good shake. This is going to make our gravy really shiny and lovely. And now it's ready to serve. A lovely thick onion gravy.